Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be cleaning two different roofs. This is actually day two and we're on this roof here. I've got Sam with me and just keep watching and see how we get on. So job number one was about 160 meters when it was taken on Google Earth, but when you actually work it out it's probably closer to 220 meters. There wasn't particularly a lot of moss on it, but the customer had asked a roofer to put some pigeon spikes on the roof, and the roofer had actually recommended that he get it cleaned. So as he was an existing window cleaning customer of ours, he asked us to clean it for him. So end of day one and we've got all the back done, the far side, all that, the dormer and this roof on the side here and a little bit of a return there, and we've just got this little section up here to do. Now it started raining towards the end of the day today and it's got a lot harder in the rain. Not only the scraping but also the cleaning up afterwards. It seemed a lot muddier, so it was a lot harder to clean up. So we're not coming back tomorrow, we're going to another job tomorrow because it's forecast for rain tomorrow. So we're going to go and do another job where we can scrape. That's just a bungalow, so we'll go and scrape at that one and then we will come back here on Thursday, which is forecast for being sunny, to Biocide and just scrape that little last bit on the roof there. So this is the roof with quite a bit on it. Now Sam's just started scraping there a little bit just to give it a go, and you can see there's a patch just there where somebody came along and pressure washed a section for him, which he didn't really want done, but then he contacted me because our website and everything looked more professional, and he wanted it scraped, not pressure washed. So job number two was a much smaller job, but it was actually harder to scrape with the profile of the tiles. This worked out at just over 100 meters on Google Earth, but when you actually took the size of the roof, because of the pitch of it, it was probably closer to 120 square meters. So it is day number 2 of job number 1. We left it, we didn't do it Tuesday because the forecast was for rain, so we went and scraped the other one on Tuesday. And then the forecast was sunny all day today, starting from this morning, glorious sunshine all day. Got up this morning and it's raining. So all we've got left to do is scrape this little section here. Just got to scrape that off, and then hopefully by then it will have dried up. We've got a conservatory roof to clean, so we might do that as it's drying up, but then it's supposed to be dry for the rest of the day. So we'll get this bit scraped and then we'll see what's happening. So that's the side of the roof done. It doesn't take long when you're using the Dosatron that I built. So if you haven't seen the video I built the Dosatron, I'll leave a link to that up above. So if you're interested in using a Dosatron, have a look at that. It is much easier than using a backpack and mixing it all the time. It's so easy. Plug it in and away you go. It's a bit expensive to get started with, but if you're going to use it all the time, it is definitely worth the money. So I'll carry on and get the other side done. On the hottest, driest year in record for UK, I picked the week that starts raining to do 2 roof cleans. So yesterday ended up as a washout in the morning. We got a little bit of this roof finished that just got left to scrape, but it was going to be too wet to treat this in the morning. So we went home, we went back over to the second job, which was a smaller roof. It dried up after lunch and the forecast was good for the rest of the day, so we got that one treated. And now we're back, it's Friday now, we're back and we're going to treat this roof here, which was job number 1, which is the biggest out of all of them. So we'll start treating that and then we'll be finished. Hope you enjoyed that. I've had a couple of days now to reflect back on the week, how it's gone, and I've decided that I'm not going to be doing any more roofs. I really did find this hard work. It was a lot of pressure on your body, a lot of scraping, a lot of aching, and for me, I just don't think it's worth it. I've also lost Sam. He's gone his own way and started up his own round now, and he's doing really well with that. So I've lost his help, which I really do appreciate his help and rely on him a lot. But I'm not going to be getting rid of my gear. If a customer comes along and it's just a small roof with, you know, a bungalow or something like that, just a small bungalow, then I might do it slowly by myself. But I'm not going to be advertising the big jobs. I really do find the roofs hard work, and it really does make me ache. I added the service on as a bit of an extra, just to change things up from the window cleaning, but I don't think it's worth it. I'll just concentrate on the window cleaning, the gutter cleaning and the pressure washing. Maybe it's because I haven't done enough. I haven't done loads over the last couple of years. I've done quite a few, but not loads. And maybe it's because I'm not doing them regularly enough. I'm not building up the muscle that I need for it, and that's worse. Maybe if I was doing them more often, I'd feel better. But for the money, it's really good money. I'll probably earn 50% more on the roofs than I do when I'm window cleaning, but it's just not worth it for how much it makes me ache. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.